guys, as you all know, it's your girl Lydia, the only girl that does everything in this channel. So guys, today's video is all about appreciation. I want to thank you very much for everything that you have done to me. I want to thank you for your support. I want to thank you for your love, for everything, for watching my videos, for sharing it in one way or the other that you have supported me. I am very grateful. Please guys, do not mind the noise with Grace. So I cannot do without her here. So we will just have to cope with her until I finish this video. So as I was saying that thank you very much for everything, and I came here to announce to you guys, finally we have been monetized and it's time to start the real deal. This is the time I really need your support most in watching my ads, in watching my videos, in sharing, in whatever way that you can, in whatsoever way that you can help me. Please just help me share to friends. And I want to use this opportunity also to thank the people in the small YouTubers group, all my friends, those are close to me. Also the YouTubers. We have somebody like Lady V Vlogs, we have Rosa Care Beauty, we have Denzel Betil TV, we have Healthy Body Peaceful Mind, we have Queen Bee Vlog, we have Belvy Creation, we have Jackie Fashion, we have Mary. In fact, guys, we are so many. We have Consti Beauty, we have New Sports. Oh God, I really do appreciate you guys so much. You guys are amazing. You guys are really amazing. I love you guys, and also I want to say thank you very much for your love. Thank you for holding my hand. There was a time that we got discouraged, but you guys say we have to push, we have to push, we have to push, and that is how we finally push until we are where we are now. So guys, you know, when I started this channel 9 months ago, things was not that easy. My first video, I was shy. It was not well presented. Everything was just, when you are just new and you are not somebody who is too popular. But thank God that as time goes on, we are improving every day and things are getting better. So, many people are doing this, they are vlogging and one thing or the other, like those who have YouTube channel and other pages. Some of them have 2 phones, some of them have 3 phones, some of them have 4 phones, some of them have laptops. But I started my own channel with just a single phone, and up to now I have just the single phone that I am managing, and I pray, hoping to get another one. If somebody can also bless me with it, I'll be very grateful. So I just have one phone for now that I'm still managing with it. So with time, I pray things get better, that we get another phone so that we can do so many things with it. Guys, this YouTube journey was not that easy with me, especially with this thing of one phone. People were joining playlists, people were doing watch to watch, people were doing the one thing or the other. I was like, how am I going to be using my one phone to do all these kind of things? I was limited to so many things because I was struggling to cope with the schedule that they have. It's not easy when you just start a YouTube channel, you just go like that. You must join groups, you must watch each other, you must join playlist groups, you must, like, guys, if you're a YouTuber, you understand what I'm saying. So it was not easy for me. There are some times that I will allow my phone to sleep the whole night playing playlists, people's playlists, and that's how they're also doing with mine, and it was not that easy. My battery, my phone, see, everything, my charger even got bad. Still God, because the phone was sleeping it was playing all through the night. So you can imagine, I've suffered though with this my single phone. So God, so I just pray that with time I get another one. But if somebody watched this video and you're touched to bless me with another phone, I will really appreciate it, and I will really appreciate it, because now I really need another phone now so that we can get into the business. Yes, into the business. So the one step that I've taken now after we have been monetized is to buy Our ring light is here, guys. Let me put it like, no, it's like this, but it's going to look the opposite way. So now I just took the, I think it's a medium one. I don't know if there is it a medium. It's not that big one. There is the big one, the small one, and the middle one. I think so. So I took the middle one. So for now, we are going to manage with it like that. So I said, okay, since I bought it, let me come and tell my fans and my people that we have graduated to another level. We graduated. Oh yes, we have graduated. We have graduated into another level. Into another level. Even though it's not that. In fact, we just manage it the way it is. We just manage it. Yes, we are going to manage it like that. No, now like this, we have no light, just our normal light that I'm like this. So imagine if we add this one again. I'm so happy, guys, that we took a step forward. You know, things are not easy, so we can't minimize our little beginning. So let's just be grateful for what we have. We should not compare ourselves with each other. Each and every one of us have different destiny. So is it? I want to remove it. You know? Oh my God. See, if you know how I was really in need of this ring light, oh God. Oh God, my friends will understand. I was crying all the time. Oh, ring light, oh, ring light, oh, ring light, oh. Now this is ring light. I was saying that so many people, so many people are doing their videos with ring lights and so on and so forth. But me, I have nothing. But thank God I have at least a ring light now. Let me not spoil it though. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. I want to see. In fact, guys, let me just allow it. I wanted to mount it. I wanted to mount it. But with what I'm seeing, with what I'm seeing now, let me try. If it's like that, I just bought it. If it's like that, if it's not like that, anyway, guys. Hey, Lydia, how do they mount this thing now? Okay, I've seen it. I've seen it, guys. I've seen it. Look, I have to use this thing. Oh, Lydia. Okay. So both of them, it has to pass through this hole. It has to pass through. There's a hole here, so I have to put it inside. Anyway, guys, that's it. In fact, let me just allow it like that. I will see on how to put it. Maybe after this video, I'm going to check how I can put it very well. But just know that from now on, our videos will be having ring light. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you guys very much. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate and I'm grateful, guys. I'm really grateful. Thank you. Are you seeing? Have you all seen? Yes. Have you all seen? Our ring light is here. So that's it. I'm happy, guys. Thank you very much. In fact, let me stop this video because I can talk and talk and talk just because I'm excited. I really need another phone, guys. Please. I really need another phone. I need another phone. But you know, if I could get this, it means I can. We will try and see how we can get another phone with time. That's it. Thank you very much for your love, guys. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. I really do. Thank you very much. So guys, that's what I came here to say. And everybody in our group, oh, I love you guys. So Consti, Newspart, Peaceful Health, Peaceful Healthy Body, Peaceful Mind by Sandy. I love you. Who again? I think I've mentioned everybody. Betty, after I've mentioned Betty already, Jackie Fashion I've mentioned. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Again, so loyal, so excited. Have you seen? We'll go slay now with the green light there. Hallelujah, we don't buy in a house. Thank you very much, guys. You know I'm very funny, guys. Please don't forget to follow my Facebook page and follow me on Facebook also as Lydia Labelle, and my page is Lydia TV Show. All over Instagram, everything. I was thinking of changing that name even to Instagram own. I was thinking of changing Instagram on to Lydia Official. What do you think, guys? Is it nice to change our Instagram page to Lydia Official, or I should allow it as Lydia TV Show? So drop your comments at the comment section. Drop your response at the comment section so I will know you actually watched this video up to this level. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. See you on my next video.